Hello, this is Dr. Mike Gomez of the Houston Vein Institute. Today I'm going to talk about the different treatment options we have for the venous conditions that present at our clinic. When patients have tired, achy, heavy legs, even when they're swollen, many times they have venous insufficiency. We have 3 different options to offer these patients: endovenous laser treatment, radiofrequency ablation, or VenaSeal. When patients have bulky, painful varicose veins on the surface, we can use Varithena. And when these veins are not seen on the surface but are deeper in the leg, we can use ultrasonic guidance to inject the foam. Lastly, patients with unsightly spider veins. When they're large, we can use injection sclerotherapy. When they're smaller and don't accept a needle, we can use vein wave. As I've often said, you do not need to suffer with these vein problems. For more information, visit our website at houstonvi.com or call us to make an appointment. Thank you.